Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a treat container, treat box, treat bag, whatever you want to call it, for Ramadan by just using cardstock paper and glue, whatever glue, double-sided glue that you want to use. And the tools that we're going to need is the scissors. This one is an optional. It's an optional tool, and I'll show you now in a little bit why. You could use the scissors to cut your paper. I have a paper cutter, so I'm just going to use that. And let me start. Let's take the first sheet. So this is a 12 by 12 piece. You don't really have to buy these. I have this for over 2 years and it's never finished. Purchased it from Michael's at a sale, a $5 sale. They sometimes do that, but most of the times these books are like 20 bucks, $14.99 to $20, and you could use a coupon. If you could, not if. You could also purchase individual sheets. They're like 79 cents to $1. Or you could just use construction paper. No, not construction paper is not going to be good. Check the dollar store. They might have cardstock. Walmart has cardstock, but I never tried it. So the sheet is 12 by 12. I'm going to cut it in half. So the way you use this type of cutter, this cutter, I purchased it $7.99 in 2014 from Hobby Lobby, and used the coupon, so it was like $4 for something. So you want, it's 12 by 12, so the half of the 12 is a 6. So you bring it and you measure where the number 6 is, right here, and that's where your edge of your paper should go. And make sure that your paper is lined to the top thingy, top edge, and just cut it. And then you have two identical 12 by 6 pieces, but the container that we're gonna make is gonna be smaller than 12 by 6. So the container that we're making should measure 5.5 by 8 1/4. So you bring this here is 6, and here the length is 12. So we need to cut the width into 5.5. We see where the 5 is. That's the 5.5, and we align the paper to that, and we cut. Now we have the width is 5.5, but we need to do the length to be 8 1/4. So we find where is the 8. This is the 8, and this is the 1/4. Okay, and we cut. Now we have the perfect size. So next, what you need to do is to bring your double-sided tape, whether this one or that one, it doesn't matter, or even the Scotch tape would work. And you need to put the tape on two edges, one which would be the width and one would be the length, like so. Can you guys see that? Okay, you can't see it. All right. I'm gonna do the right side, the length, and I'll be right back. So now that I have the tape on both edges, we are gonna close this one like so. Right, so we remove the
thriller.
ماذا؟
The thriller, good read, nothing better.
We expose the tape and try to close it and try to be as straight and aligned as possible. Okay, that was not straight enough, but so now on this side, okay, we need to try to have this thing, the line in the middle. All right, and we remove, we expose the tape, and we close it. Now for the other side, I didn't put tape. You could put tape if you want, but we're not gonna close it like this. It's gonna be closed like the sour cream container method, which will be having this edge like that, and then it would look like this instead of looking like a pillow. All right, I'm not gonna put tape on it just because it's going for little kids, kindergarteners, and I want them to be able to gain access to the candy. So I'm just gonna put 2 holes using my hole punch. This hole punch is like $3-4 from Michael's, and you know what, so it's like $3-4. They would allow you to do like 2 transactions at the same moment. So if you buy, like, say your paper and you use a coupon on it, you could purchase this and use a coupon as well, the same coupon. So with the hole punch, I'm gonna make 2 holes, one here. Doesn't have to be perfect. Well, this was not perfect, but try to get the holes as aligned as possible. And then after you fill it up with your candy, just tie a ribbon in a bow shape on it, and you're basically done. But not completely done, because we want this to be for to have the message to say Eid Mubarak or something, and that will be done using the computer. Now I'm just gonna finish making these because I only have, so far, only have one. I didn't make any of them yet, and I'm gonna fill them with candy. I'm gonna close them with a ribbon through these holes, and either glue or use the double-sided tape to stick the message on. And I'll show you what I got when I'm done. I'm online looking at pictures. A good place to get pictures from would be freepic.com, which would you'll be able to get free pictures without paying for them. And a good place to look at is also Shutterstock, and I was thinking maybe I could just steal this one since I'm not selling it. Where did it go? Okay, I lost it. Yeah, this one's pretty. Anyways, they have a lot of images. Shutterstock, you have to pay for it. Freepic, you don't. You get to download whatever you want without paying for them. They're free. That's the one I saw. This one would look really elegant if you print it and then gold foil it, or silver foil it, or even the rainbow colored foil. It would look really nice for, like, if you're gifting some older kids. But for little ones, looking for something cute, and I don't know. So after I chose the image, I went to avery.com and then select products. You want labels, and from labels you want round labels, and then on a new page you could design it and have them print it to you and send it to you, but I'm gonna choose blank round labels and then enter there, find the ones as big as my punch, which is 2 inches. Where is it? The 2 inches ones, and then start designing. And from there you could choose any of the designs they have here and just customize it yourself. You could choose any of their designs. There is almost 1700 designs, or you could upload your own design, which I did, and then after uploading you upload the file and you customize it. I added, so this is the design that we liked, and we uploaded that one, and we added our son's name so people would know that it's from him. And then you click on preview and print, and I will show you. You'll have 12 per sheet. So if you print that, so Snapchat kept getting stuck, but I did go ahead and cut all of them, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. You bring your hole punch, your circle puncher, and you put the paper or the cardstock in the groove that's in there, and you align it to make sure your image is showing up in the window, and cut it. And you do all of them the same way. This punch I think was $10, but with a coupon you could get it for $6. And I have all the punches done within less than 10 minutes. So here we are at the last point or step. We tied ribbons on them. We put these raised foam glue squares on the back of the greeting, and then stuck it on the thing. And I don't feel like I need to change the greeting. It's fine the way it is. Just take it and stick it. That's it.